Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a bit to get through, especially with Ripple and XRP. Obviously, there is an official announcement there that XRP is not a security on Ripple's website, which we're going to go through as well. Obviously, very, very bullish news coming out that the Pacific Island group right now of Palau has obviously started using stablecoins on the XRP ledger, which is very, very nice, guys, to see that. We have the Fed officially, obviously, raising interest rates in the United States, and that, I assume, is going to happen in Australia as well. So everyone better brace for that. We have some updates in relation to Shiba Inu. Obviously, we've got stablecoin USDT reaching the highest market cap for a very long time. We've got judge issuers basically Sam Bankman-Fried a gag order, which is interesting. We'll go through that. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Citi looking at the crypto technology before $5 trillion expansion by 2030 report. Very, very interesting. Bank of Italy, my home, I should say not city, but country, obviously now tapping into Polygon, which is interesting as well. The sky is the limit. And obviously crypto is bracing for a multi-trillion-dollar Wall Street earthquake, which is insane. And of course, the Bitcoin halving. There is quite a bit to get through. I'm also going to discuss my crypto day trading, which I've got 9 positions open up at the moment, and my crypto trading bots. And I'm going to be doing a full video this weekend, and you'll all be able to see how to set up these crypto bots. So that's very, very bullish stuff. But anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I literally just hit 60,000 subscribers. So thank you all of you who have subscribed to the channel. Honestly, guys, without you, I couldn't do this. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Now I've got another 40,000 to go until we hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up and watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, okay? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It is down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. And yes, I'm going straight to the community tab because I've got some interesting stuff right here. And yes, 60,000 subscribers. Thank you very much to those 60,000 people. That's incredible. Thank you very much. Like literally, we could fill a couple of stadiums here with that amount of people in Melbourne. Awesome. A couple of them. Probably Rod Laver Arena. Maybe a little bit of Marvel Stadium here. Thank you, guys. That'd be insane if we did that. But anyway, Palau government launching US dollar-backed stablecoin on the XRP ledger. Interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. And of course, this is crazy, all right? But Bard AI. I haven't used Bard AI, and I'm sure a lot of you have, but published an article right here, or basically Forbes magazine publishes an article which was deleted shortly after being posted, confirming XRP's headed to $59,472, which is insane. And this is crazy, but yes, I don't know if this is true or not, but I mean, anything is possible if it starts outperforming Bitcoin. But basically this, yes, Forbes did recently publish an article right here called The New Bitcoin is XRP, and it's headed to $59,472, which was removed minutes after being posted. The article was authored by someone named John Smith. Anyway, thank you, John Smith, and it's just fun to see these articles. So again, don't read too much into it. Again, I mean, I'd be happy with a few $100s with XRP, let alone 59,000. But I mean, if it becomes the world reserve currency, and I mean, obviously Fed now using it, governments, institutions, over, probably 400 banks at the moment, things are going to get pretty crazy with it. You can honestly predict that, all right? Altcoins up in the portfolio. Now, these get posted up every single morning in the Patreon, so join up. Very, very bullish community. I had Kin, Constellation, DAG, Solana, XLM right here, and OMI. Again, OMI is used on the VV app for NFTs on that app. So again, I'm still holding a huge bag of that. But XLM and Solana, getting very bullish on Solana, ladies and gentlemen. Again, Raoul Pal, I watched an interview with him this morning, and he's literally got two of the biggest positions in his portfolio, which is Ethereum and Solana. Ethereum, less of a risk. Solana, more of a risk. However, he sees major upside with that. Very, very nice. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. This is an official partner of the channel. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use it. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, if you're new to cryptos here in the land down under. Of course, with this stuff, be careful, and all the prices are in Australian dollars, whilst everything in this video also after this is set in US dollars, because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin sitting at $43,000 today. Ethereum's at $2,800. You've got XRP at $1.08. I'm looking at these prices now, and it has remained quite steady at 40,000. Now, again, that's Australian dollars for Bitcoin, and XRP's been in the top coins for years. Even though there's been an SEC lawsuit, there is regulatory clarity for XRP. It is not a security. I do apologize about that. Ding dong. That is my one of my online stores. So I'm going to close that now so it doesn't keep happening. Now, moving on, we've got Dogecoin at 11 cents. We've got Cardano at 47 cents. Solana's at $37. Crazy thing about Solana as well, I mean, this was trading easily at over 100 Australian dollars again, well and truly above that during the peak of the bull market. I honestly believe Solana is going to absolutely fly. There's a lot happening with Solana as well. Hasn't been many network outages, which is good. And also, guys, a lot of NFTs. And again, I'm not bullish on NFTs, but much cheaper to buy Solana-based NFTs because there's hardly any gas fees, which is nice. Matic as well, $1.09, up 2.5% today. We've got Litecoin 137. The halving is happening next month. Keep an eye on that. Polkadot $7. We've got BCH. Now, I don't have any trades set up on that one, but we'll have to look at setting up some ones on that. XLM is at 23 cents. I do have a bot set up on that. It's up 8.96% today, which is crazy. Chainlink is at $12. Moving down, we've got ICP at $6.27. Hedera is up 1% today to 7 cents. VeChain, again, doing nothing for 2.5 years, and I've just been holding it, so we'll see where VeChain goes. I'm bullish on the project. Quant is 155. Sinfin XDC pumping again 13% to 9 cents. Everyone on my channel has had plenty of time to accumulate XDC. I've been talking about this project for nearly 2.5 years, and it's been well and truly at like 3 cents and 4 cents for a very, very long time. Now it's starting to pump. People are FOMOing into it. Anyway, it happens. Algo, 16 cents. You got Axie up 0.81% here to $9. Theta at $1.24. Some other favorites, of course, we have Gala right here at 3 cents. Pepe as well, 6.31. Now, my new bot setup that I set up in the Patreon yesterday is doing incredibly well. Excuse me, guys. And, of course, we've got IOTA at 26 cents. We have Casper as well at 5 cents. Very undervalued. I mean, they are building quantum computing technology with IBM, and are also partnered with Alphabet, or I should say Google. Anyway, very, very nice stuff right there. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Before I do, guys, and I don't even know why Crypto Bubbles just went away, but I'm going to open it up. Anyway, let's have a look here, guys. I'll bring that back up in a second. But we have the Wall Street Bull University. This is my official Patreon page. The university is growing, 269 members. Thank you very much to all of you. And if you're watching this video, thank you very much. 944 posts. You can see I'm actively posting in there every single day, putting up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto day trading, which is going nicely as well. My crypto trading bots, which are working, making money while I'm sleeping. More importantly, is my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. So I should say end game is basically when crypto goes parabolic, or I'm taking significant profits during the bull market, which I advise everyone should do. I'll be taking those assets out, the cash, I should say, and investing into the stock market, which will generate cash flow. And I'm putting this up, what I'm buying every single month. So go join up. I mean, I'm putting some pretty valuable information in here, guys, and also the news before I go live on the channel. More importantly, I've made it $5 a month, so nobody really can feel it. It doesn't affect anyone. I've made it that simple for sure, and I should say that cheap because, again, it's nothing, and I'm putting up some very valuable information in here. And again, it's $8.50 Australian per month, which is nothing for what you're learning. Anyway, it's taken me 4.5 years to learn this stuff, and I've made a lot of losses and basically a lot has been learnt. So go join up, guys. The Wall Street Bull University link's below. Now, moving down, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, we have a sea of green. Very, very nice right here. And again, XDC pumping up 14% today to 6 cents. Try not to FOMO into this. It's not financial advice. You can do what you want. But again, just wait for it to calm down a little bit. But 6 cents USD is insane. 59 on the week, 92 on the month, and 127% on the year. Madness. XLM up 9.4 as well in the day. 45% on the year, and still up 72% on the month at 15 cents. It's still incredibly cheap. It really is. Solana as well is one I'm looking at accumulating more of, but 6.7% on the day, 25 USD. Very, very cheap and undervalued in my opinion. All of this stuff is, to be quite honest with you, because again, we're not even in the bull market yet. This is just the early stages of a bull market. We're in spring, as Raoul Pal said today when I'm watching his video. Hedera up 1.9% to 5 cents, which is nice as well. Can't complain about that. ALGO 2.2%, which is really nice as well. 11 cents. Still undervalued in my opinion. And where is XRP? Where is XRP? I need to find this. Let me see if I can see it. Here we are. It's quite small today. 1.5%, 71 cents. The only regulated asset out of all of them. Insane when you think about it. That and Bitcoin, both commodities. They're not securities. And of course, Litecoin, I just saw it here. But again, the halving is happening. 91 US dollars right now, 2% on the day. This one's definitely flying under the radar. I'm not, not looking at this. I'm definitely looking at it, that's for sure, because I think something big is coming for that. Now, anyway, the official announcement on July 19th on Ripple's website. Now, this is their official announcement, but Ripple, and I should say XRP, is not a security. Ripple landmarks victory in SEC lawsuit. From day one, Ripple has said that the SEC suit against the company and the CEO and chair were baseless right here, and yet another attempt to regulate crypto through intimidation and enforcement. The court's July 13 decision that the crypto asset XRP is not a security is a landmark ruling, not just for Ripple, but for the entire US crypto industry. And obviously this is very, very bullish, but this was the first industry win against the SEC and sets the precedent for other crypto assets, tokens, and securities regulation in the United States. The case was always about one thing and one thing only, whether XRP, a crypto token right here, could be an investment contract and therefore security under law. The court unequivocally said that XRP is a digital token and is not in itself a security. And obviously last week's ruling makes clear that the SEC's misguided theory that crypto tokens standing alone are securities has no support in the law. The court's decision marks a historic occasion not only for the company but also for the crypto market at large. Bullish. Very, very bullish. Now we've got Ripple partnering up with the Pacific Island group of Palau, obviously using a US dollar-backed stablecoin on the XRP ledger. This is crazy. The country has been distributing PSC, Palau stablecoin, for 3 weeks, and the test will run through August. Palau, a country comprising of 340 islands in the Pacific Ocean, is running a trial of stablecoin linked to the US dollar. Jay Hunter Anson right here, a member of the board of directors of the Ministry of Finance, told CoinDesk in a direct message. The project started in March with wallet design, and the first stablecoin was minted in July and will run through August right here. And Anson said the stablecoin will run on Ripple's XRP ledger. Ripple has been providing technical assistance and personnel, and in 2021, the country said it would work with Ripple to develop strategies for digital currencies. And we've been distributing PSC or Palau stablecoin for 3 weeks. And today is the official press release, Anson said in a tweet. There you go. How beautiful does that look? I would love to visit there one day. A group of Pacific Islands in the Pacific Ocean launched their digital currency. Very, very nice. There is no guarantee that the nation of 20,000 people, which does not have a central bank and uses the US dollar as its currency, will continue with the project once the test is over. We will send the report to the President and the Congress and with recommendations whether or not the stablecoin is a good program for Palau. Anson told CoinDesk the next step after that will depend on what the government authorities authorize. Very, very nice to see that, guys. Now, the Fed released its highly anticipated interest rate decision, which is crazy as well. And the Federal Reserve has finally shared its interest rate decision, which also is closely related to Bitcoin and other crypto markets. The Fed raised rates by 25 basis points. That is going to hurt a lot of mortgage holders, that's for sure. And I expect that to happen in Australia. I mean, it's going to happen. I mean, they've just gone mad with this stuff. Really, they have. Hurting a lot of mortgage holders, including myself. Madness. Anyway, SHEB burn up 140% since starting ETH Toronto ticket giveaway. Now, this is crazy. While most of Shiba Inu community is watching developments on the summer of Shibarium, SHEB token announced that the contest received 2 free tickets. Anyway, guys, moving down. The burn rate is increasing significantly with this. Here we go. Sorry. And has set at 22.1 million of their beloved K9 tokens ablaze in the last 24 hours. And this comes exactly a week after the Shiba Inu community members heatedly debated how many tokens would have to be burnt, obviously monthly, to make a visible difference in SHEB's market price. And a week ago, prominent members of the Shiba army shared their projections of burning 5 trillion SHEB tokens a month as a reference. While the devs haven't confirmed the projection, and many traders right here had different opinions on whether this would boost Shiba Inu's price in 1 cent, the community didn't forget about the burns this week. However, it's a mutual understanding that Shiba Inu's burn rate would significantly increase once Shibarium mainnet is launched. I'm still holding on my Shiba Inu, guys, that is for sure. Moving on, we've got stablecoin giant USDT. Obviously the one I use to trade. The market cap of the leading stablecoin USDT is an important milestone for the crypto market, has reached an all-time high. Despite the usual worries and fears, USDT has once again proven its durability and validity as a reliable stablecoin. And obviously you can see USDT's market cap had reached in the previous week of May 2022. However, it had a hard time maintaining this level in the face of the market volatility and skepticism, which is crazy as well. And I have to check what the actual market cap is because, again, I'm still using that to trade. Now, obviously, this is quite funny, but not funny for those of you who lost money. Moving back, WorldCoin. See, that's just creepy right there. Get away, WorldCoin. Anyway, judge issues gag order on Sam Bankman-Fried as prosecutors call for jail time. And obviously, a federal judge issued a gag order for former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, limiting him from speaking publicly about the case to the media. And the parties in the case and their attorneys and their agents are prohibited from publicly decimating right here, which is just insane, or discussing any public communications, media, anything about the case, the New York United States District Judge Lewis Kaplan right here ordered on Wednesday. Kaplan added that the order did not apply to assertions of innocence. And the U.S. Department of Justice accused Bankman-Fried last week of leaking the private diary of a former colleague, Caroline Allison, creepy woman, to the media, and ran FTX's sister trading company Alameda Research and pleaded guilty to multiple charges last year. Don't scam people out of money. It's as simple as that. You're going to get freaking caught. I mean, it's public information, for God's sake. What are you doing, man, Sam? Dude, give the money back. Ugh. Anyway, JP Morgan, Goldman, and Citi looking to use crypto technology before $5 trillion expansion in 2023, which is nuts. Some of the biggest banks, titans of America, are looking to use crypto technology to build new rails. Obviously, that could part in a future $5 trillion industry right here. Giants like JP Morgan, Citi are looking to supercharge Wall Street by working towards tokenizing assets on blockchains, which is crazy. And the digital-first economy that we are moving towards is really important as our clients embark on this digital journey. Being able to move money 24/7, 365 in a programmable fashion, that's always on its, obviously on, is what we really want to enable our clients. Crazy when you think about that. And I would love for basically money in Wall Street to be accepting payments and moving money 24/7. That's going to be crazy. Bank of Italy right here taps Polygon for institutional DeFi pilot. And the Bank of Italy, the homeland, has partnered up with Polygon, an Ethereum scaling team, obviously on the pilot program intended to create regulated platform for institutional DeFi. Polygon Labs will work with Milano Hub, the innovation center for Italy's central bank, obviously to launch an institutional DeFi for security token ecosystem. And DeFi is obviously is an innovative financial technology based on decentralized protocols that aim to replicate existing financial services and inclusive and transparent manner, Milano Hub said. The G7 central bank, the regulator, and associations of the bank and funds collaborate in this way on large-scale tokenized asset initiative. Polygon have to add this to the banking coins list. Very, very interesting. Now, the sky's the limit. Obviously, a multi-trillion-dollar Wall Street, obviously earthquake after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Tron, Polygon price boom. Just wait until the trillions of dollars come into this. But Wall Street banks will build their own blockchains and cross-chain stable coins using Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability. This is why Chainlink is part of my portfolio. The protocol is designed to open source global standard, decentralized inter-blockchain messaging data, and token movements, according to Chainlink Foundation. Crazy. Crazy stuff. I mean, this is what I'm saying. You know, you've got to see this as like these projects have already got the technology. They've already built it, invested in it, made it what it is. So, of course, all of these Wall Street hedge funds, family offices, all of them are all going to be using this technology. Just wait for these trillions to come into this space. And, of course, we've got the Bitcoin halving right here. 282 days to get your SHIT together, ladies and gentlemen, because things are going to get pretty crazy. Very, very nice to see this. So, of course, we've got 282 days. 1 hour, 48 minutes before the craziness comes. Now, let's go to cryptometer.io and see where the money has been flowing today. Let's go here, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this website has a mind of its own. I do apologize, it's not working. Yeah, we go. All right, we've got Ethereum, Monero, Bitcoin, Solana. What else? We've got XLM right here, Tron, and we have XRP right there, Matic. So people are starting to buy Matic, which is good as well. Let's go to Twitter quickly, guys. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you go follow me on there. It's a pretty mid-news day today, to be quite honest. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Follow me on there, guys. Thank you to those 5,180 people. Obviously, we've got Coinbase Exchange and Coinbase Assets right here talking about XRP available in Germany, obviously for residents there. And of course, you've got trading pairs, XRP USDT, XRP Euro trading pairs are now full trading mode. So very, very nice to see that. The Republic of Palau partnering with Ripple right here to pilot the USD-backed stablecoin. Very, very bullish. Really nice. We've got, obviously, Tom Emmer, my nonpartisan bill, Blockchain Regulatory Certainty Act, just passed out the Federal Finance's CMTE. This is a huge win for the United States as we are one step closer to putting Americans in the driver's seat for creating a future peer-to-peer digital economy. This is crazy right here. Jim Cramer, Microsoft buy and hold. I don't think so. This is an interesting one from Crypto Crusader right here. For $10,000 right now, you can get 260,000 Casper. And obviously you can see here the future amount of Casper will cost around 50 to 100,000 and eventually 260,000. It is up 28% in the last year and barely moved. Definitely a sleeper in my opinion. BlackRock, Fidelity, Japan's Prime Minister are bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. Probably nothing. No, definitely not. Forget models, look at this data. Bitcoin has the same market value as silver because 2x stock to flow ratio. Bitcoin has the same stock to flow ratio as gold, but 10x market value. Bitcoin is massively undervalued compared to gold and silver. It sure is. Now, again, moving down, we've got some interviews with Tim Draper. I do want to play you guys. And this was last night, I should say. Let me just bring this up if it wants to work. Let's go here. Tim Draper, have a listen.
Rise above fiat, and I think it's just better technology. I mean, having to have a bank and a government decide on what currency is good is not as effective as having a Bitcoin where you have a trusted third party, which is hundreds of thousands of nodes out there checking to make sure that the transaction was done properly. So I think it's just better, safer technology, and eventually the rest of the world will come on board.
Very nice. And by that stage, it'll be too late. It really will, guys. And of course, we've got some interesting stuff here. Let me just bring this up. And of course, we've got Justin, US Congressman right here, Brad Sherman, on Bitcoin. I don't believe that Satoshi Nakamoto was innovative. Crazy. Now, there is also this video. Just have a listen to this. Crazy.
Money by printing.
Let me just start this again. Listen.
Yes, it is true. The United States also makes money by printing money. That benefit goes to the American people when we provide more services or when we tax them less. And the intent of the billionaire bros in crypto is to appropriate for themselves that literal money-making machine. Yes,
they make money by printing it. I just don't even know what to make of that. It just says to me that money's worthless. Really crazy. Anyway, we're moving on. We've got the Stellar Network leads total off-ramp locations by asset right here. Very, very nice. And we've got, obviously, you've got Bitcoin right here, 98,000 off-ramp locations. Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, Stellar right here, 26,000. XLM, which is nice. Where's XRP there? They don't like talking about it, do they? And anyway, moving on, we've got BlackRock recommends massive 84.9 Bitcoin allocation for an optimal portfolio performance. Bitcoin has just gone up in value. It has not gone down. It's just gone up over the years. best asset ever. Obviously, we've got OKX. I'm going to have a quick look at this, guys. Now, again, my bots, I'm going to do a full video on this weekend, but I've got XLM down 3.9% today on a neutral position. I've got Pepe up 6.18% here to $8, which is still going nice. And, of course, my P&L on XRP is up 7.419 USD. And I do have some trades up as well. I'll do a full video on this on the weekend. So, again, Patreon linked below. All of that is there. Total market cap today, we have 1.18 trillion, $30 billion in volume, 48% BTC and 19% Ethereum, 26,415 cryptocurrencies, only 2 of which are regulated. Crazy when you think about it. And of course, my list goes up in the Patreon every single day. Some nice coins there, which are up. XDC is flying at the moment. And of course, the banking coins. This is my ultimate list right here. I think Polygon has to be added to this, guys. I do not have it there. But anyway, that is it. Very, very nice. Cannot wait for XRP to go parabolic. Join the Patreon linked below. Follow me on social media, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow, guys. Hope you have a great day, evening, and good morning. If it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, guys. Join the Patreon. Bye.